Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of a 2022 Kia Seltos. Here's what you need. One of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon, they're dirt cheap. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. You need a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head with a nice small point on it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is, this is the half that's going to be coming up. So go ahead and pop your key out, and then right here, and there's also a side right here, stick this small flat blade screwdriver in there, push that up. Okay, now right here there's going to be 4 small screws. I went ahead and removed those already, but use your Phillips head and unscrew those. Okay, now you've got that. Take your small flathead screwdriver, pull off the old battery, and take your new battery, place it in like this, push it in, and go ahead and put your screws back in, and then this snaps in like so, and then you can test it right here. Make sure your red light's working. And you're back in action. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.